What's up guys, Harrington here. Happy FURSUIT Friday. Telegram is one of the best places to meet and chat with people online. And one of the coolest things that Telegram allows us users to do is to create their own custom stickers to use as emojis in chat. Now, most new users aren't sure how to really do this at first, but it's a relatively straightforward process. So if you want to learn how to make your own stickers for Telegram, then sit back, relax, and make sure you like the video, and let's get right on into it. Alright, so for our purposes today, we'll be creating our stickers on an Android smartphone. It's what I have, and it's how I learned, but I'm sure there's a similar process available for iPhone users. Our first step is going to be to download the apps that we'll be using to create these stickers. The first one is obviously going to be not only Telegram, but Howler too, because that's where the furries hang out on Telegram. It'll give you all the different furry chat rooms you can use. So go ahead and download both of those first. So once we have those installed, then go ahead and feel free to look around at other people's stickers, kind of get some ideas for what you want to do. We've got our ideas, so let's proceed to the next step, which is going to be to download and install an app called Stickery. This app is going to convert the images we want into Telegram stickers and export them directly into Telegram itself. Alright, so next, some other helpful apps we'll be using are a background eraser and a digital art application. I use Adobe Sketch because it's free and it's relatively simple to use. Great! Now that we have our apps installed, we're ready to get started creating our stickers. First, we're going to use our drawing program. You can draw some groovy pictures that you want to use as a sticker, or you can snap some FURSUIT pics of yourself to use as well. So once we have those pictures ready to go, we're going to go ahead and open them up in our background eraser and, well, erase the background. Go ahead and take your time here, make it look nice and neat. So once that's done, make sure you save them as a PNG file, as that's what's going to let us import them later on. Okay, so now that we have those images to use, we're going to go into our Stickery app, and this app is going to allow us to make sure that these images we choose are going to be the correct file size, and then it's going to convert them into a sticker pack. Now once that's done, just go ahead and hit export, and it will even take you directly to the Telegram app so we can get started using those custom stickers right away. Now that process does take a minute to do, so be patient and you'll have a brand new set of stickers in no time. Once you get into it, you can actually add text, play with the borders, and other cool stuff as well, but that's beyond the scope of this video. I just wanted to show you how to get started making your own custom stickers for Telegram. I can't wait to see what you guys make. So I hope you guys made some awesome stickers this week. That's going to do it for this week's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and a big thanks to my awesome patrons, Floofy Mint, and Sobuhasi. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. You guys are amazing. And if you want to get a shout out in every video and have early access to my content, then consider becoming a patron. I'll put a link down in the description below. There's a bunch of different tiers, so pick one that works for you. I really appreciate it. And also make sure that you are subscribed so that you don't miss out, and ring that bell so you're notified when I post new content every single week. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.